Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on PC. First, you'll need to download the Epic Games Launcher, which is the platform where Fall Guys is available. Once installed, create or log into your Epic Games account. Then, simply search for Fall Guys within the store and add it to your library. It's a free-to-play game, so there's no purchase necessary to start your wobbly adventure. Just download and jump into the Blunderdome. After adding Fall Guys to your library, navigate to your Epic Games library section. You'll see Fall Guys listed there, ready for installation. Click the Install button to start the download. Make sure you have at least 2 gigabytes of free space on your computer. The download and installation time will depend on your internet connection speed, but it usually takes only a few minutes to get everything set up and ready to go. Once Fall Guys is installed, you can launch it directly from the Epic Games Launcher. Upon your first launch, the game might prompt you to link any existing console accounts, such as PlayStation or Xbox. This step is important for cross-progression, allowing you to carry your progress and cosmetics across different platforms. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to complete any necessary account linking and get ready to play. Now that you're in the game, let's cover some basic controls. You'll use the WASD keys to move your bean around the chaotic courses. Press the spacebar to jump over obstacles or gaps. For an extra boost or to avoid falling, use the Shift key to perform a dive. Fall Guys features up to 60 players competing in a series of minigames, so mastering these simple movements is key to qualifying for the next round and ultimately winning the crown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.